Well, then we goes this way.
Yeah.
So there's the Jeeps behind us.
And Dory.
And Dory. Oh, there it is, right there.
Well, that's the one. And he was saying the other one, where he thinks is becoming. That's what used to be the normal one, and he thinks becoming.
Do we need to walk that? I mean, this is pretty packed down. This is definitely the trail. This looks deep right there, though.
Subscribe.
So what's the plan, Aaron? Do we inch out just a little bit to keep looking to see how deep it is? Do we send someone across?
Not it.
Not it. That was definitely Tyler. I'm just saying, that's definitely.
It's up high, and that current is moving fast. Unless I see one of you.
Well, it's moving fast.
And that current is moving fast. Unless I see one of you go through first, I'm not too interested in experimenting. I want to see how far it is for us to loop around to the other entrance.
Inch into it and then like
That's
see,
what I was saying. Inch into it and see.
you know, and just look at my tire.
I think it's deeper here than up there.
Well, yeah, I think that's what he's saying. That's becoming the more common spot to cross.
But
That
this
way?
didn't look that deep either.
Right, but then looks can be deceiving, you know.
Oh, absolutely.
It doesn't look deep. It might not be deep.
Current.
But if we're looking at this and saying, hey, that could be deep, like
I mean, I think this is deeper than up there.
That's our current dealing with. It's pretty high. It's moving pretty high.
You're past halfway on your front tire.
where did that felt? I inched forward and then like pushed on my brakes and it slid forward.
Yeah.
And I was like, nope.
So I'm gonna agree. I think we're just gonna have to skip this part.
Yeah, there's a lot of other
The-
water crossings. We knew this was the one that we did.
Yeah,
Really an unknown. Depends on the weather recently.
That's the current already starting to pull you, and you weren't even that far in.
Did you guys see me shift?
Yeah. So
That's what that was?
we drove the whole way from PA, so let's not.
No, we had to look at this at least
Yeah.
and assess it. And
Inched forward, assessed it. Current's too strong. Moving on.
Yep. I agree.
That was scary. I don't like that. I am not going to pull a. Are these recording?
yes.
Now I'm just gonna leave you on a cliffhanger.
Thought it'd be deeper than that.
Yeah, texture's a boat.
All right, river crossing done. That wasn't bad. Oh, you didn't film?
You were already in the water by the time I came up, but I didn't get you going through. Did you hit rock or anything?
It's all rock. I was in two-wheel drive.
Okay. See you right there.
Okay.
Yeah. I was gonna say, I could tell when I went in. I'm like, I'm sitting a lot lower than they are, but top of my engine's dry.
This is cool. Even the sand.
But it's dry. Top of the engine's dry.
First test.
But it's dry. Top of the engine's dry.
First test of the snorkel. It's soaking wet now. I'm just
I
kidding.
should test one.
Nothing.
Don't dry.
Hey, where'd you get that shirt?
Oh, planningchaos.com. Go there and get one.
I would recommend the upper crossing.
Yeah.
Because that lower crossing, today at least, Rody kind of tested it and he felt his Jeep, and he was what, 10 feet, not even?
Yeah, and it wanted to go down.
And it wanted to go down. So the upper crossing, you guys will see it at the river. I mean, it's a beat path. You can't miss it.
Follow the horse manure.
Yes. But we made it, no problem. Just ride that wake whole way across. You'll be fine. And snorkels. I would say snorkels.
Yeah.
Snorkels, breather tubes.
I mean, you saw, I don't know, what would oh, there's where the
Yeah.
water got to.
And we're on 35, so if that helps you guys. Now we get to play in sand, it looks like.
I was going to say, I got sand on my tires.
We got sand.
After getting them clean.
Yay! guys were talking while I was picking up the camera gear. What road is this?
That's cool.
That's really freaking cool.
You see a mud hole in the Ozarks. Since we've only done like 3. Yeah, don't go blasting through them. Don't. No. Ease into them. Throttle out if you need to. Definitely smacked that last one a little too hard, and hopefully there's no damage. Won't know until we stop. I don't hear anything. Everything feels fine, so. What, we're hiking?
Oh, I gotta leave Dory here. I'm not taking.
We're hiking?
Yeah, we gotta go vertical. I gotta leave Dory here. I'm not taking her up there because that's kind of precarious. Precarious. But we might be able to catch the NARS at sunset-ish. Dory, you're gonna have to stay here. I cannot bring you up here for this stuff. Danger.
Nope. So we're about to hike that, huh?
To the NARS? Or NARS?
What is it? Yes. Correct us in the comments because we don't know how to read either.